Judgment reserved in provincial acts case, and state security not aware of claim that Mbalula's extramarital affair was politically motivated. I'm Lebo Changela with this news update. The Constitutional Court has reserved judgment in a case of provincial legislatures and their ability to pass legislation with respect of their own financial management. 3 months ago, the court ruled that provincial legislatures didn't have the authority. It found that a financial management bill in Limpopo was unconstitutional. It then raised the need to determine the constitutional validity of similar pieces of legislation in other provinces. The Corn Court found that the provincial acts are unconstitutional. Melanie Moses reports.
Provincial legislatures have asked for an 18-month grace period so that work can go on without disruption while the matter is being addressed. It's understood that Parliament would like the opportunity to find a solution. This could lead to it putting measures in place allowing provincial governments to come up with legislation around financial management. But the Minister of Finance says the declaration of invalidity should not be suspended. His legal team has argued that the Public Finance Management Act clearly provides for the financial management of provincial legislatures. The provinces, though, are adamant that the Act doesn't fully cater for their needs. Melanie Moses, SABC News, Johannesburg.
The Pretoria High Court ruling on prescribed minimum benefits which protect members of medical schemes has been described as undermining government's efforts to regulate the cost of health care in the private sector. The court has ruled that prescribed minimum benefits will remain in place. The Board of Healthcare Funders says they'll approach the health minister to discuss the matter because the judgment favors doctors who are currently charging patients as they please. BHF's Heidi Kruger.
The judge essentially said that BHF, in that it's a representative body, would not be directly affected by the judgment, and so we didn't have legal standing to bring the application in the first place. She said that she would have considered it had every single medical scheme together with BHF brought the application. We're going to engage our senior counsel whether we can appeal it. We're also going to be engaging the minister because this undermines everything he is trying to do to bring some kind of containment in costs in terms of the private healthcare sector.
The State Security Agency says it is not aware of the claim that Sports Minister Fikile Mbalula's extramarital affair may have been a politically motivated trap set by them. SSA spokesperson Brian Dube has urged people who have legitimate complaints to approach the office of the Inspector General of Intelligence. A Johannesburg newspaper reported that the married Mbalula, who has publicly confirmed having sex with a woman he met at a party, believes he was the victim of a trap set for him by elements of intelligence agencies. According to the report, the woman was paid 150,000 rand to rubbish his name by operatives meddling in ANC squabbles in the run-up to the party's elective conference. And 2 of the 4 children who went missing from their home in Verval village have been found dead at Bethlehem farm near Lichtenburg in Northwest. The other 2 were found dead 2 weeks ago along the Lichtenburg road. The 4 children aged between 2 and 9 disappeared after their mother failed to return home. It's believed that all 4 died from dehydration and hunger. Warrant Officer Leboga Mogotu explains.
We received information from the farm at Bethlehem that the child on the farm died. The police removed the deceased from the farm. They are at this moment at the mortuary.
The mother is being charged with child negligence.